TFYNN word, man. Thoughts from your neighborhood N word, man. I was just politicking with wifey a little bit earlier, tripping about how there's people that, you know, they make money and succeed a lot further in life because they spend less time to make the money. You know, they say the same amount of time that you spend, you know, trying to make, let's say with a hustle or a business or something, to try to make $5,000-$10,000 a month. There's people that spend that same amount of time and energy to make, you know, $50,000 and $100,000 a month, and they have better life situations. You know what I'm saying? Because they have more time to focus on actually living versus just trying to make money. I know I'm looking rough around this motherfucker, but you know, that's just today's thoughts, man. I don't know, man. I've been hitting some of this gizass, man. Got a nigga motherfucker really thinking, but man, I'm just saying, you know, let that soak in. But just think about it. If you got a full-time job, you know, dedicated to, you know, someone else's dream, 160 hours a month, 40 hours a week type shit, and you could be getting that same money just like they did, man, working 20 hours a month on their motherfucking dream, or 10 hours a month, and making 10 times what you make at your full-time job. This shit crazy, man. You know, I see it a lot more the more I look for, you know what I'm saying, and different things that people do, and it be the simplest, easiest shit that you just wouldn't even expect. Like, damn, you really could be doing that shit too. You know, like they say, man, if you put yourself out there and apply yourself in certain situations in life, man, things will happen.